Welcome to the show. You're listening to Think in English, Listen Deeply, Speak Smartly. This isn't just another language episode. It's about mindset, awareness, and communication that's not only fluent, but intentional. If you're here to grow, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Fluency begins with thought, not grammar, not vocabulary lists, but the way your brain builds language before you speak. When you constantly translate from your native language, every sentence is delayed. You're not speaking, you're decoding. Thinking in English isn't just about speed, it's about clarity. You learn to connect ideas in the language, not just words. Start with simple moments, not out loud, just in your mind. When you're walking, waiting, making a decision. Instead of, how do I say this in English? Start asking, what am I thinking in English? It's not easy at first, but that's the rewiring. That's where fluency actually begins. We underestimate listening, not because it's passive, but because we forget how active it really is. Listening is how you learn rhythm, intonation, emotion. It teaches you when to slow down, when to emphasize, when to pause. If you're only focused on understanding the meaning, you're missing the music of the language. Choose a voice that resonates with you. Any native speaker, podcast, film. Play a sentence, pause, close your eyes and say it back. Match the tone, feel the breath. Notice the silence between words. When you listen deeply, your speaking improves without you even realizing it. That's how immersion works. And the best part is you can create immersion anywhere, anytime. Speaking is not about sounding perfect. It's about being heard. Smart speaking isn't fast. It isn't fancy. It's clear, precise, confident, even in silence. You don't need big words to sound intelligent. You need intention behind what you say. Here's what smart speaking looks like. You pause before you speak. You finish your thoughts. You choose words you know and say them well. Every sentence is a choice. Every pause gives weight to your words. And every word, when spoken with calm clarity, holds more power than 100 rushed ones. The goal isn't to impress. The goal is to connect. Let's take a breath and come back to the core. Think in English, because translation delays your truth. Listen deeply, because it teaches you how to speak without ever opening your mouth. Speak smartly, because communication is clarity, not complexity. This isn't a trick. It's a shift, and it happens slowly, daily, with practice that feels small, but builds something real. Thank you for sharing this space with me. If this episode made you pause or helped you see language differently, consider listening again, more slowly. And if you're on this journey, keep going. Fluency isn't a finish line. It's a way of thinking, listening, and expressing with intention. You're not just learning English. You're learning to be more precise with your thoughts, your presence, your voice. Until next time, stay curious, stay aware, and speak smart.